In the previous video, we had a look at how to create a smooth zoom transition. For this one, we're going to take a look at how to create speed ramps. These are really simple and really effective to use in your editing. You want to first of all use the left arrow key on your keyboard and then go 5 keyframes back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once you've got to the 5th frame, you want to press M to create yourself a mark point. Do the same for the second clip, but this time you want to make sure that this one is on 10 frames. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then create yourself a mark point. Now that you've done that, we're going to get ourselves the velocity effect. So if you right click on your video, go down to Insert/Remove, Envelopes, and then go over to Velocity. Velocity is basically a way of speeding or slowing down your video using this line right here. You want to go over to the first point and then you want to right click on it and make sure it's set to normal velocity. Once you've done that, go over to your first mark point. So to create yourself a point, you can either double left click or you can right click on it and then go to add point. But you want to make sure that it's connecting to your mark point. Then you want to right click on it, set to normal velocity. And then once you've done that, you want to double left click near the end of it to get yourself another point and then drag this one all the way up to 1000%. So the reason why I keep saying to make sure it's on normal velocity is because sometimes you can get your video where it has a little arrow above your video. And this just basically means that it has sped up to 1000%, but it's also looped your video. So it won't really do the effect the way we want it to look. Now to fix that, you can either increase the length of this or shorten it down. It all depends on your clip and how long it is. What you want to do is you want to go to it and then either before it or where it is, you want to cut your video right about there and then go from there. Now you want to do the same thing for the second clip. So you want to right click on it, go down to Insert/Remove, Velocity, and you pretty much want to do the same as last time. So go to your second mark point, double left click, set this one to normal, and then drag the first one all the way up to 1000%. And there we go, we've got ourselves a speed ramp. Now with the speed ramps, you can also right click on the point and then you have these options right here. So you have linear fade, fast, slow, smooth, sharp, and hold. These will affect how quick or how smooth the speed ramps are. Now for my video, I use the fast fade, so it goes really quick and then it goes to the second clip. Now sometimes you may encounter problems like this where you go a little bit further than you expected. So for me, I don't want it to go all the way to the stairs. So what I can do is I can go where I want it to stop. So I don't want it to go any further than this. And I'm going to press S on my keyboard, delete this part. We're going to go to the end of it and go 5 keyframes back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Move this one back. Same as the point. Set it on normal velocity. And then move this all the way up. And that is pretty much it. That's how you create a speed ramp. But anyway, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, click subscribe. I have more Sony Vegas Pro tutorials. And yeah, I will see you all in my next transition video. Bye.